This video will explain what Discovery Search is, how to search it, and what types of resources it searches. Discovery is a research tool, sort of like Google, that allows you to search across most of our library databases in one go. Based on your search limits, it will return results that include, but are not limited to, electronic books, articles, journals, magazines, newspapers, dictionaries, and encyclopedias. To use Discovery Search, enter your keywords into the search box and click Search. It may take a few moments for the results of your search to populate, so be patient. A results page will then appear on your screen. At the top of the search results list, you may see a box labeled Start Your Research. This brief overview typically comes from one or more encyclopedia entries and is a great place to get background information about a topic. Another box may also appear at the top of your results list. This yellow box can be related FAQs and/or guides produced by the Rasmussen College Library. These FAQs and guides may come in useful if you do not find what you're looking for in the results list. Results below these boxes will be ranked by relevance to the keywords you entered. The number of results will appear at the very top of the screen, and as you look at each result in the list, you will be able to see on the left what that resource is: an ebook, an academic journal, a periodical, or a primary source. To the left of the results list, you will see the Refine Results panel. This is where you will find common limiters, including full text, scholarly peer-reviewed journals, publication date, source types, and subject. When looking at a specific result, you will see the title listed at the top, the type of source it is, the author, which database the content is being pulled from, the relevant subjects, and links for accessing the content. Clicking on the title will display either the full text of the resource, if it's available, or the detailed record, where you can find and view more information about the source. Use the detailed record to gather information for your APA citation. Get a permalink to the source, so you can access it again more quickly. Email a citation to yourself, and link to the full text version of this source. For help on this topic and more, visit our Answers database, where you can search our frequently asked questions or chat with the Rasmussen Library.